It's a fun but really, really early morning, right? It's an early morning, yeah. There's a guy behind the camera right now, he's nodding his head, tired. It's an early morning, but we're here to make a video for you guys because last night we got a very special package in the mail, one of the most anticipated phones of 2019. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and if you pre-ordered the phone starting, when was it? February, I can't remember the exact date, but if you pre-ordered the phone whenever it came out, there was a promotion for a free pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds. And this is our first day with the phone, so you guys know what we're about to do. We're going to unbox both of these for you, so you know what to expect whenever your package arrives in the mail. Now, I went with the Prism White Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you guys keep up with the channel often, you know that I prefer the larger phones. So I'm obviously going to go with the biggest option they have every time. Currently, my Android phone is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it's going to be interesting to transition from the Note 9 to the now S10 Plus. So right off the bat, as soon as you open the box, you have the phone staring at you in the face, and you can definitely see the outline of those two cameras up top. I'm really interested to see how the hole punch design is going to work. There's three things about this phone that I'm really, really excited about. That is one of them, this color right here. The Prism White, I knew this was the color I was gonna get as soon as I saw it. A white color that reflects as you move it throughout the light. Hopefully the camera's capturing that detail on it. This color looks amazing, and it changes depending on the type of light that you're in too. So I'm really, really excited to use this. The second is the absolutely fantastic display, and third is that ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So let's power on the Galaxy S10 Plus right now, and while it powers on, we're gonna go through the rest of the contents in this box. So the packaging is pretty simple. You're gonna open it up, and on the bottom you're gonna have your wall charger. And the only other visible thing that you're going to be able to see from here is the pair of AKG wired headphones that Samsung includes for you. It's still nice that they include that because they're better than your average run-of-the-mill headphones. So to have a free pair of headphones tuned by AKG in the box is really nice. So let's get these headphones out. Don't want to tip all the contents over in the box. Oh, and that's exactly what I just did. So headphones are out. Oh, wow. Great. Phone's already booted up. So you have your wall charger and you have your AKG headphones. These are tucked in pretty nice. So we'll set these right here. And then obviously in this box, you're going to have your cable so you can charge your phone. And the last accessory you're going to find is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Now this is going to help you transfer data from old phone to new phone, depending on what your old phone is. And I think that wraps up the contents inside this box. There wasn't too many things inside this box this time around. That's actually pretty nice. Samsung really wants you to focus on that phone. So we got the phone booted up. Now let's take care of the Galaxy Buds. All right. Okay, so we got the Galaxy Buds. It took me a little bit to take the tape off, but you guys aren't going to experience that through the magic of video editing. So let's open these up. These are, I'm actually really looking forward to using these. I feel like this is Samsung's AirPods. And one cool feature that the Galaxy S10 has.
You can't use HomePod to find your AirPods yet. Try asking me on an iOS device.
Just keep it going. That's fine. I don't know if you guys actually heard that, but that was our HomePod that we have in the studio that just decided to go off because apparently I said S-I-R-I. But back to the unboxing. I feel like these are Samsung's version of the HomePods. You can see they're wireless buds. They charge directly inside the case, and the case charges via USB-C on the back. Now, one cool feature of the Samsung Galaxy S10 is that it has something called wireless power share, where the phone can actually wirelessly charge another device capable of wireless charge. You'll see it in all the Samsung advertisements of the S10. And inside this other box that was in this box is your USB-C cable and obviously interchangeable earbuds, so you can kind of adjust the fit for yourself. But I think we're basically done. I think we're basically done. I'm gonna go through and set this up. Man, look at that. Look at that display quality. Look at that display quality. So this is going to be obviously my Android daily driver for some time. I'm gonna use it for at least a week, and that'll help me kind of get the review process going for you guys. But I foresee myself using this phone for much longer, just because it seems to have launched to pretty positive comments so far. So I'm excited to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up. Hopefully this video gave you guys a better idea of what to expect whenever it comes to your unboxing experience. Man, I can't get, look at that. I cannot get over that display. I'm really excited to use this, guys. Stay tuned because we have a lot of footage coming for this phone. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe, because like I said, we have a lot of footage coming for the Galaxy S10 Plus, how it compares to previous phones, how it compares to the current phones I still have, and obviously we're going to be keeping this for a while, so we're going to see how it compares to other phones launching in 2019. But it's time for me to set this. Look at that color. Look at that. Man, the guy behind the camera is going crazy right now because I keep doing random stuff. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, wait, nope, there's one on the bottom too. Told you you're gonna have to fast forward through this portion. You can do that, right? Oop, wow.